How to change language on WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to change language on WeChat. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch WeChat app and make sure to sign in. Tap on Me icon at bottom right corner to access your profile feed. Select setting option. Now choose the option of general from the setting section. Here you will see variety of options. Simply navigate to interface and display section at top and select language. Currently it has been set to auto. You need to select your preferred language that you find convenient. Now tap on save at top right corner of your screen. So you can choose any of the languages according to your convenience, and with that you will change language on WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.